Okay, in this short, brief video, we're looking at types of number, okay, looking specifically at factors, multiples, and prime numbers, okay? So question number one, okay, we are given this box, okay, which has 3, 4, 13, 18, 21. Using the numbers in the box, write down part A, a factor of 9. So a factor is a number that fits in, that goes into that number cleanly with no remainder. So a number that goes into 9 cleanly is 3, because 3 goes into 9 3 times. Okay, 3 times 3 makes 9. 1 is also a factor, and so is 9. Okay, so a factor is a number or a set of numbers that go into that number cleanly with no remainder. Okay, and that's very key, no remainder. Okay, it fits in an exact amount of times. Part B, a multiple of 6, well, that's in the 6 times tables, so it'll be 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, etc. Okay, so yeah, multiple just means the times table or times tables of that number. And we get it by doing 6 times 1, 6 times 2, 6 times 3, 6 times 4, etc. Yeah, etc. So 6 times 5. Part C, a prime number. Now, a prime number is a number that has explicitly 2 factors, so 2 distinct factors. Now, really common mistake here that my students make here, unfortunately, year upon year, every single year, is they think 1 is a prime number. 1 is not prime because 1 has 1 factor, namely 1. Okay, a prime number must have explicitly 2 distinct factors. 1 and itself not being 1, if that makes sense. So the prime numbers here are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, okay, 17, 19, etc. Okay, 23, 29, 31, etc. In this case, it will be 3 or 13. Okay, so 3 or 13. Okay, because 3 has 2 factors, 1 and 3, and 13 has 2 factors, 1 and 13. Whereas 4 has 3 factors, has 1 and 4, but also 2, because it's even number. 18 is also even, so yeah, it can't be prime. And 21 is divisible by 3 and 7, as well as 1 and 21. Okay, so 4, okay, 18 and 21 are not prime because they have more than 2 factors. Okay, so just a little recap: a factor or factors of a number is a number or a set of numbers or numbers that fit into that number, yeah, cleanly with no remainder. A multiple is just the times tables of that number, and a prime number is a number that has 2 distinct factors, 1 in itself. And just to ram that point home, 1 is not prime, 1 is not prime, 1 is not prime, because 1 has 1 factor, namely 1. Okay, thank you.